Search ads, shopping ads, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Play. Google Ads covers a lot of ground. AdPeekr monitors all of it for you. Let's see how to set that up right now. On the Ads search page, click the Ads channel filter icon right next to the search button. From the drop-down, select Google. This scopes your search to advertisers running Google Ads. Type your competitor's brand name into the search bar and hit search. AdPeekr will pull up matching advertisers running Google Ads. Click on the advertiser to open their profile page. Here you can browse their recent Google Ads before subscribing. When you're ready, click Set Alert. A pop-up window will appear. This is where Google Ads alerts get powerful. A window titled Subscribe to Advertiser Alerts opens up. The alert name is already pre-filled with the advertiser's name. You can rename it if you like. Under Select Platforms to monitor, choose exactly which Google channels you want to watch: Google Search, Google Shopping, YouTube, Google Maps, or Google Play. Select whichever ones are relevant to your strategy. Then under Select Ad Formats to monitor, choose the ad types you want: text, image, or video. Once you've made your selections, click Subscribe. AdPeekr will now monitor only the platforms and formats you chose, so your alerts are always relevant, never noisy. The moment that advertiser launches a new ad matching your criteria, you'll be alerted within 0 to 4 hours of it going live. No more manually checking ad libraries or getting caught off guard. That's all it takes. With Google Ads alerts live on AdPeekr, you'll never miss a competitor's next move. Start tracking today and never miss anything with AdPeekr. Thanks for watching.